Hey, welcome back, guys. On this session, we just want to do a quick sneak peek onto something which I did in the past video. I used a particular syntax in the blade that's two curly braces open, two curly braces close, which I have not talked about it. I thought, okay, it's very important. I spent maybe a couple, 1 or 2 minutes to talk about it. Well, we're going to have a separate, so maybe 1 or 2 episodes to talk about the complete blade templating engine. So I use the curly brace open and close, which simply is it's basically echo. If you see open and close, it's basically trying to say open PHP and then echo this method, right? Or echo this content. So you're calling this method. So I could still write this in plain PHP like so. Like so, I could still write this in plain PHP like so. Right, and then I say contact with plain PHP. So basically all of this equates to like so, open brace, right? So I'll undo it so we can actually try this on the browser with the PHP version and with the Laravel Blade version. So if we come back to our browser, and we go to our home page and we refresh the page, it says contact with plain PHP. If you look at the bottom, it has the same link, right? And if you look at the other one that has the blade templating engine, it has the same link. So both of these lines, line 1 and line 12 and line 13, they evaluate to the same thing. But then if you want to use it with the echo with the normal PHP, see, it's kind of bulky. So with the blade templated engine, you just need to do double open curly brace and double close curly brace, and it does you the job. So that is the way to print variables. It's basically like an echo on a skipped echo sequence. So you can find more content about that on the Laravel page. If you come to the documentation and search for blade, you will see that it says, okay, you may display the content of a variable name like so. So you can also use that for variables. And you can use the unescaped data with this. Unescaped data is this one processes the HTML, this one does not process the HTML. So if you have, for example, H1, for example, let's just do a quick test. For example, if we say like hello, welcome. So this is definitely content. If we refresh the page, it says hello, welcome, right? But if we do this, so I presume you're expecting that it should have a bigger hello welcome to H3. But if we refresh this, it will not work. It will simply render us the HTML. So in order for you to mitigate such a scenario, use an escape sequence. So rather than using curly brace open, double curly brace open, double curly brace close, use a curly brace open and two exclamation curly brace close. And if we save this, we refresh, we see that it has processed the HTML and it's not rendering the HTML, but it's processing the HTML on the browser. So hope you understood how the curly brace or double curly brace open and double curly brace close works. So again, this could be the name of a variable that has the contents. Of course, this could be the name of another variable. In the next episode, we're going to see how you can pass data from the route to the controller and then from the controller to a view where you're going to be using variables here. See you on the next section.